Ni aje tena wadau na wadaulet. Teqcher fly tena hapa. Nimetokea tena na kahesabu na bado manze tunaendelea na form 3 high school mathematics, topic inaitwa probability. Under probability leo tunaangalia tree diagrams. Now tree diagrams are very very easy things and zinatusaidia kusolve mathematics ya probability. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. We will look at two good examples and then we shall see where they take us. Now, hii example inasema the probability that a husband and a wife will be alive 25 years from now are 0.7 and 0.9 respectively. Find the probability that in 25 years time, A, both will be alive, B, neither will be alive, and C, one will be alive. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Before tuangalie hesabu, first of all, let me tell you what a tree diagram is. The first thing tunafaa kujua under probability, of which niliwaambia when we started doing probability, is that in probability there are outcomes. First of all, probability is the likelihood of an occurrence. Yani kitu inaweza happen aje. Nikawaambia for example in a football match, when teams are playing, there are three possible outcomes. There could be a win for either team, there could be a loss for either team, there could be a draw for both teams. Hapo sawa? So the match can end kama win, loss or draw. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So now in this case, looking at this mathematics, hii inasema the probability that a husband and a wife will be alive. So the keyword here is alive. This means that there are two outcomes here. The first outcome is that they could be alive or dead. So there is alive or dead. So once ushatambua hivyo mtu wangu, let me now draw a tree diagram hapa kando. So you have alive or not alive, which I'm calling dead. So the probability that a husband and a wife will be alive 25 years from now are 0.7. So 0.7 is the probability that a husband will be alive, and 0.9 is the probability that the wife will be alive 25 years from now. And that is why kumeandikwa hapo respectively. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So let's take these for the man. So the probability that the man could be alive in 25 years is 0.7. So tree diagram, unachukua kama ni man, alafu unachora hii symbol for two sides, showing that there are two possible outcomes in this case. So there is a time you can have three possible outcomes, but in this case, like kama in a football match, there could be a win, loss, or draw. But in this case, there is either alive or not alive. So for the man, the probability that he is alive is 0.7. What is the probability that he is not alive in 25 years' time? What you need to know is that in probability, the sum of chances should be 1. So, if alive is 0.7, not alive is 1 minus 0.7. So it is 0.3. In short, when I add these two possible outcomes, I should always get a sum of 1. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So you mention namna hiyo, my friend, very easy. Now, let's draw the tree diagram. So this is the tree diagram. Chenye nimesema imeisha ni that this is the tree diagram for the man. For what is possible in the man's in 25 years. How about the wife? Again, the wife, there can be two possible outcomes. The wife could be alive in 25 years' time, or the wife may not be alive in 25 years' time. So the probability that the wife will be alive in 25 years time is 0.9. So wife alive in 25 years is 0.9. We have already agreed, tumekubaliana kwamba when you add this and this, they should give you a sum of 1. Therefore, not alive is 1 minus 0.9, which is 0.1. So the probability that the wife will not be alive in 25 years time is 0.1. As you can see, if you add both of them, you get 1. If you add this and this, you get 1. If you add this and this, you get 1. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So back to our question. Find the probability that in 25 years time, both will be alive. So both will be alive. It means that we are looking for the probability of man alive and the probability of wife alive. Now this is the probability of man alive in 25 years time. This is the probability of the man not alive in 25 years time. This is the probability of the wife alive in 25 years time, and this is the probability of the wife not alive in 25 years time. Now, so the probability that both will be alive in 25 years time is the probability that the man is alive in 25 years time and the probability that the wife is alive in 25 years time. Something else that I need you to understand in probability, when you see and means multiplication. So we will get the probability man alive times the probability wife alive, because and means multiplication in probability. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. We are saying and because both will be alive. The probability that in 25 years, we are looking for the probability that in 25 years time both will be alive. Therefore, it means both the man and the wife will be alive in 25 years time. The probability man alive in 25 years time, as you can see from our tree diagram, is 0.7 multiplied by the probability that the wife is alive in 25 years time, which is 0.9, and your answer becomes 0.63. That okay? Nice one, nice one. We are also looking at B. Find the probability that in 25 years time neither will be alive. Neither will be alive means that both will be dead or both will not be alive. So probability that neither will be alive, so probability not alive will be probability man not alive and probability wife not alive. That okay? Nice one, nice one. Na nisha kueleza kwamba probability not alive and probability wife not alive, and we have already agreed that and means multiplication. So this will be probability that man is not alive multiplied by the probability wife not alive. Reason, we have been told neither will be alive. So back to our tree diagram, ladies and gentlemen. Probability man not alive, we already got 0.3. So this equals to 0.3 multiplied by probability wife not alive. Probability wife not alive is 0.1. So this will be 0.3 multiplied by 0.1. What do you get? 0.03. So the probability that in 25 years time neither will be alive is 0.03. 3. Hapo sawa? Nice one. Nice one. Let's do the last one. Saying, find the probability that in 25 years' time, only one will be alive. One will be alive. Now, only one will be alive means that wife is alive and the man is dead, or probability that the man is alive and the wife is dead. So this will be probability man alive and probability woman not alive, or probability wife alive and probability man not alive. What is the reason for this? Only one will be alive. Sorry, only one will be alive. So it means at any given time, if the man is alive, the woman is not alive, or the woman, or the wife is alive, not the woman, or the wife is alive and the man is not alive. So it is probability that at any given time only one is alive. So that means if the man is alive at that particular time, the wife is not alive, or the wife is alive and at that particular time the man is not alive. Now, I have already told you that and means multiplication. Now you need to know that or means addition. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. When it comes to probability. So this will be probability man alive multiplied because of and, probability wife not alive. Or means now addition. So add probability wife alive and means multiplication, so multiplied by probability man not alive. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Then let's go back to our tree diagram. Probability man alive, probability man alive, probability man alive is 0.7. So this will be 0.7, probability man alive, 0.7 multiplied by probability woman not alive, which is probability woman not alive, 0.1. Add probability woman alive, probability woman alive, which is 0.9. Multiplied by probability man not alive, multiplied by the probability man not alive, which is 0.3. And you are done. So 0.7 times 0.1 is 0.07 plus 0.9 times 0.3 is 0.27. When you add this, you get 0.34. So 0.34 is the probability that in 25 years' time, only one will be alive. I need you to understand that if the man is alive, at that particular time, the woman is not alive. That is why you are seeing there are two outcomes here. The man could be alive, and at that time, the woman is not alive. Or the woman could be alive, and at that time, the man is not alive. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Bye-bye.